A very good morning to all. Class 2. We have completed our multiplication chapter till here. That is where I have told you that the properties of multiplication. Okay, so till here we have discussed. Today we'll start with let us revise. Whatever we have read last day, today we are going to revise it. See, there are 2 ponds. You can see 2 ponds are there. Each pond has 4 ducks. Okay, how many ducks are there in the 2 ponds? 4, 4, same number. That only I have told you that multiplication is repetition of addition. Okay, so 4 plus 4. How much? Or 2 times 4. This 4 is 2 times. So, when the same number repeated 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, we orally pronounce it as 2 times 4. 4 plus 4. This is easy. 4 plus 4. This becomes 8. Okay? In the same way, 2 times 4 equals how much? 8. So we'll get the same answer. This we pronounce when we are doing orally. Okay. While we writing, we can write 4 2s are 8 ducks. Understood? This is the pattern which we normally follow in multiplication chapter. Let's move to the next page. Now, see here. These you can tell this that these are a sort of examples in the form of word problems. Right, children? Okay. See, a pizza is here. 4 pizzas are here. Now, a pizza has 6 slices. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, a pizza has been cut into 6 slices. How many slices will 4 pizzas have? If in one pizza we are making 6 slices, so in 4 pizzas how many slices would be? So first we'll write in the normal form. 6, 6, 6, 6. Right? 6 slices each pizza having. 6 plus 6, 12, 18, 24. Now, if we have to write it in normal form, in the multiplication form, we can write it as 4 6 24. Why 4? 4 pizzas are here. Each pizza has 6 slices, which is equal to 24 slices. The answer will be same. So, like this also, we can define multiplication chapter in the form of word problem by filling up this column. Now, let's move to the next pattern. Next pattern we have discussed in our last class also. Today again I am repeating it. See, skip counting we have done in this form, which I have shown you also to do the addition. Now, what is the difference in this skip counting and in this one? See, this is represented on the number line. Number line means we make a scale sort of line, like a scale, measurement scale, which having 15 centimeter like this. See, this is measurement scale. 15 up to 15 centimeter is there in the small scale. We have taken that only. Okay, so this represents number line. Now what you have to do in this number line to represent? See, multiplication of 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 2 6 ja. 2 by 6 means 2 6 ja, or 6 times 2. Okay, so now what we will do? We have to do by 2. We'll start from 0. First this 2, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Now where the last number reaches, this will be your answer. 12. Now we can do it manually also. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12, or 6 times 2. 2 we have counted 6 times. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 curves are there. 6 times 2 is equal to also 12. Here we can write it like this also, 4 6 cha, or we can write 6 times 4. Okay. Now multiply the following using a number line. See, this number line is given over here. Now question asks you to represent this in number line. 5 by 4 means we have to take a difference of 5 4 times. So this is 1. Again count 5. See how to count. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, again 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we are going forward, so we'll have to give this forward arrow. Okay, after that, see, 1 2 3 4. 4 curves are there. The question also asked us to do 5 by 4. 5 skip counting we have taken, and 4 curves we have made. So what will be your answer? Where your arrow represents the last, that is 20. Understood? This you have to complete in the book. These two, one I have shown you how to do it. This also I have shown you how to do. Now let's move to the next page. Next page is very easy. Why? You simply have to remind the table, recall the table in your brain, and you have to give the answer. 5 times 3 or 5 3s are 15. 2 times 5 or 2 5s are what? 10. So you have to make a match, or you can, and after that you have to write here the tables also. Suppose 4 3s are, what is 4 3s are? 12. This you have to complete. 6 3s are 18. 3 5s are 15. Understood? Okay, so your today work is this only. You have to start recall of the revision of the chapter which we have read last day, like in this form also. And after, the most important is showing the multiplication with the help of a number line, and this matching and written work you have to do all the things in your book only, no copy work. Okay children, tomorrow we'll start with question number 6. Today we have started from this question number 1. Today's date is 18. Okay, class work we have started from here, and some homework I have given you this. Okay, this you have to complete till here as class work, and this as homework till question number 5. Now tomorrow we'll start from question number 6. Okay children, take care, do your work in the book only. Okay, bye bye.